How's it going, everyone? Thanks for joining us on CNYcentral. We're going to start things off with a look at some alerts because while all is quiet this Saturday evening, things are definitely going to be changing up as we go through Sunday afternoon and evening, and especially Monday and Monday night, Tuesday, really into midweek. Now, the first alert kicks off Sunday at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We've got a freezing rain advisory for Onondaga County and these counties in the purple. Also a winter weather advisory further to the north and northeast, those in the pink or fuchsia. Now, what's going to take place is we'll get some wet snow, but eventually it'll mix with some rain, and in some spots it's likely to be freezing rain. And I think the best chance for that is over the southern Finger Lakes, where it's going to be a little colder. Also, as you go southeast of Onondaga County, east of Onondaga County into the northeast, that's where we could find some freezing rain. I really don't think we're going to find any freezing rain in Metro Syracuse, you know, the city, the suburbs. What's going to take place is wet snow, giving us a coating of snow, going over to just some rain showers, as we'll be well above freezing. Also a better chance of a little bit more snow accumulation, along with some freezing rain mixing in up in the North Country, Adirondacks, maybe a trace to an inch or two of accumulation. Behind the system on Monday, as cold air rushes back in, lake effect snow watches get going Monday morning at 11 a.m. and wind chill watches also starting Monday night as bitter cold air builds in for Monday night, Tuesday, and Tuesday night. That's all the warnings. 30 degrees our high temperature on this Saturday, 37 back in Rochester and Dansville, lower 20s from Rome up towards Saranac Lake. That 30 was 2 degrees below average, but we were well below average last night by, in fact, 21 degrees below where we should be with -4 our low. Wasn't down to record cold levels. That was -18 back in 1981, and no snowfall being reported. About 4 inches above average for the month and close to average for a seasonal snowfall total. Overnight tonight, we can expect some dry conditions and temperatures not as cold. We'll only drop down into the lower 20s. Pretty seasonable, actually, if not above average. Tomorrow, a wintry mix will develop during the afternoon. At first, it's wet snow. Minor amount of slushy coating of snow could make the roads a little icy between the snow falling on colder surfaces of pavement because it's been so cold lately, plus the chance for some freezing rain in spots. But eventually we go way above freezing Sunday night and we'll change over to just rain. Monday we go from 40 to 20 degrees as the cold rushes back in on pretty strong winds. So at 2 o'clock in the morning, winds out of the south-southwest warming us as we go through the overnight. Not as cold. Partial sunshine to start the day. Thicker clouds here. Snow showers moving on in and eventually mixing with some rainfall or even rain showers, freezing rain showers in some spots, and then periods of rain overnight tomorrow night. High Sunday. This is actually Sunday evening. During the daytime, it'll be in the middle 30s, but we'll punch things up to 40 or better as we get towards the late night hours, especially towards midnight on Sunday night, before the temperatures come back down quickly Monday morning behind the front. So your forecast for tonight, dry and quiet. As I mentioned, winds south-southwest 5 to 15 will only drop to 21, a variably cloudy sky. We should be dry for the morning with some partial sunshine. Clouds will quickly move on in midday. Look for temperatures to go up into the 30s and then slow down as the wet snow moves in. Maybe some rain showers mixing in or even freezing rain showers as we progress into the later afternoon. But notice the temperatures. In Syracuse, no problem with that freezing rain. We're well above the freezing mark, but other areas could be a little different. Up to 42 in the evening, 39 and falling to 20, eventually 3 degrees by late Monday night, Tuesday. We'll find developing lake effect snow east of the lake on Monday. Now early in the day, some rain changes over to snow showers. They become isolated. Lake snow up to the north on Tuesday could be heavy at times and it's cold.